Hey, why don't you do what you were doing a minute ago?
You can cash in, buy new tickets, fly to Bali. Stop.
Do that noise again. That's a burp. Hey, that was it, yeah. Do it again. Do it again. Come on now, don't be shy. What if Mommy put the camera away? Would you do it again? Oh, camera's gone. Elizabeth.